In a world where intelligence meets the physical world, a new class of physical AI hardware rises. Introducing SolidRun V2N System-on-Module, engineered for industrial low-power edge AI applications. At the core of the system-on-module is the Renesas V2N MPU, combining a quad-core ARM Cortex-A55 with ARM Cortex-M33 real-time core and 15 sparse TOPS NPU, delivering a powerful performance at best in class per watt efficiency. Enhanced video pipeline including rich connectivity options, powerful inferencing utilizing DRP AI3, suited for industrial applications. But raw power is just the beginning. To enable seamless integration and development of robotic systems, the V2N integrates seamlessly with ROS2, the global standard for robotic software development. With ROS2 and the DRP AI3 accelerator working together, developing and deploying complex robotic edge AI solutions is easier than ever. The V2N transforms raw sensors into intelligent action. In this demonstration, a robot uses a LiDAR sensor to map its environment and create positional awareness, while the onboard vision pipeline detects pins, computes trajectory, and delivers the perfect strike, all running on the V2N hardware stack, from machine vision to autonomous robotics, from industrial automation to physical AI. SolidRun V2N System-on-Module is the ultimate platform for next-generation edge intelligence.